chica. You got that fuego, fuego, and you know I need ya. Not luego, girl, right now I need to see ya. Go upstairs and we can drink some that sangria. Yeah, babe, it's too true. Every guy up in this club is looking at you. I know I'm a little shy and ain't got tattoos, but I'ma try my luck and holler at you. Yeah, 'cause you got that big, big bubble butt. Better keep my mouth shut. I'll just watch you do your thing, sipping on that pink champagne. Yeah, girl, go to work, dancing that oversized 1980s Rolling Stones t-shirt. Big, big bubble butt. Better keep my mouth shut. I'll just watch you do your thing, sipping on that pink champagne. Yeah, girl, go to work, dancing that oversized 1980s Rolling Stones t-shirt. Hey, mama, you're too hot, just like the middle of the summer. And I really wanna see you under covers, take you there better than any other lover. Yeah, if I don't see you walking out the door, just know that I did mean to say hello before you left, and that I think you should hit my line sometime. And you're super fine, yeah, 'cause you got that big, big bubble butt. Better keep my mouth shut. I'll just watch you do your thing, sipping on that pink champagne. Yeah, girl, go to work, dancing that oversized 1980s Rolling Stones t-shirt. Big, big bubble butt. Better keep my mouth shut. I'll just watch you do your thing, sipping on that pink champagne. Yeah, girl, go to work, dancing that oversized 1980s Rolling Stones t-shirt.
I miss you when I can't sleep, or right after coffee, or right when I can't eat. I miss you in my front seat. Still got sand in my sweaters from nights we don't remember. Do you miss me like I miss you? Fucked around and got attached to you. Friends can break your heart too, and I'm always tired but never of you. If I pulled a you on you, you wouldn't like that shit. I put this reel out but you wouldn't bite that shit. I type a text but then I never mind that shit. I got these feelings but you never mind that shit. Oh, keep it on the low. You're still in love with me but your friends don't know. If you wanted me, you would just say so. And if I were you, I would never let me go. I don't mean no harm, I just miss you on my arm. Wedding bells were just alarms, caution tape around my heart. You ever wonder what we could have been? You said you wouldn't and you fucking did. Lie to me, lie with me, get your fucking fix. Now all my drinks and all my feelings are all fucking mixed. Always missing people that I shouldn't be missing. Sometimes you gotta burn some bridges just to create some distance. I know that I control my thoughts and I should stop reminiscing, but I learned from my dad that it's good to have feelings when love and trust are gone. I guess this is moving on. Everyone I do right does me wrong, so every lonely night I sing this song.
I hate you, I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. I hate you, I love you, I hate that I want you. You want her, you need her, and I'll never be her. All alone I watch you watch her, like she's the only girl you've ever seen. You don't care, you never did. You don't give a damn about me. Yeah, all alone I watch you watch her. She's the only thing you ever see. How is it you never notice that you were slowly killing me? I hate you, I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. I hate you, I love you, I hate that I want you. You want her, you need her, and I'll never be.
仿佛在远处温柔地微笑着拥抱我，任眼泪这一刻疯狂地缓缓地淹没我。他说引路的风筝就在天上飞着，会给受伤又沉默的人点燃希望的最暖烟火。我像是跳回到勇敢的17岁，在风里追着他的无畏，不再怕黑暗中我迷失的自己。我是谁？朝着他奔跑的我，让扭曲的、可笑的、残破的离开我，绝望过，沮丧过，像灵魂陷入了沼泽。所幸他看见了我，让隐形的那条线。 家回到勇敢的17岁，在风里追着它多无畏，不再怕黑暗中我迷失的自己。我是谁？朝着它奔跑的我，让扭曲的、可笑的、残破的离开我，绝望过，沮丧过，像灵魂陷入了沼泽。所幸他看见了我，让隐形的那条线带我穿过远空，让我看见这命运中。只要它牵引着我，在明暗的旅程中长长的回望我，绝望过，沮丧过，它领着我找到洒脱。所幸我找回自我，让隐形的那条线带我穿过远空，让我看见这命运中引路的风。
Welcome to our freak show, come meet my monsters. Oh, such a fine collection of stranger things. My patience running thinner on this melting clock. Cerebrum jail with thoughts most would consider odd. To think you're any different from an animal or creature sick as you should be put down, but I can't help myself. Welcome to our freak show, come meet my monsters. Oh, such a fine collection of stranger things. Please don't hide your imperfections. Nature took 2 tries to make the man in white. No, I don't mind. You are a beauty, not temptation. You're my creation.
Friday night, now I'm the main attraction. Basket, acrobat, they wanna see some action. Tinkering with my design, twist and tame my feral mind. Play with me till you found another toy. Let me be a freak show, I could be your favorite monster. Right when my whole cage remind me why I can't be fostered. Let me be a freak show, I could be your favorite monster. Lock me up, don't let me out, 'cause you know I can't help
Myself. Welcome to our freak show, come meet my monsters. Oh, such a fine collection of stranger things. You're wasting all of your time finding a cure when there's no disease. You're wasting all of your talent on an audience that sees a freak. Can't help myself. Welcome to our freak show, come meet my monsters. Oh, such a fine collection